right, so the real winner of my my tubing bender kit here, which is um, in great condition. Yeah, it's used, but I'm giving it away for zero, and it's actually going to cost me because I got to pay for the shipping. So, Jonathan in Winter Haven, Florida, gets this, and let's let's address the trolls and the spammers that think they're going to win this by trying to basically be a troll and spam and not follow the rules. And yeah, let's talk about that. But yeah, this is going to Jonathan in Winter Haven, Florida. In the kindness of my heart, you know, it's going to cost me money because I got to ship it, and I'm giving this away. And if you want to be a jerk about it and think I owe you something because you're trying to scam the system, it ain't gonna happen. So let's talk about it. Hey guys, good morning. So let's talk a little bit about the spamming and trolling that people do to try and win something that they don't rightfully deserve. And you're not going to guilt trip me into giving you something. So I made a video that said was asking what your favorite, I believe it was what your favorite movie was. And I said the 25th comment would win my tubing bender kit. And I also made it very clear that I want it to be somebody who has a story, somebody that really needs it, not just somebody trying to scam and get something for free. Unfortunately, on my side of the aisle, we don't deal with that stuff very well. You need to earn it, and you need to show that you really deserve it. So, you know, I got a few entries. I actually picked the first one that came on there because he said he was just getting out of tech school. He was an apprentice, and he could really use this tubing bender kit to jumpstart his career. And that's the perfect person that I want to give this to. In the meantime, you know, these guys don't even go on and answer the question. Don't say what their favorite movie is, and they go on there and go, okay, 10th, 11th, and they just spam the comments until they get to number 25 and said, okay, you owe me a tubing bender kit. It's not going to work that way, man. That's going to make me delete you. It's going to make me, you be the last person I'll ever give anything to. You go to the bottom of the list if you do something like that. And he's been going on, I think it's one or two people. It might be the same guy just doing different names. But he's going on there and spamming my shorts, saying that I owe him a tubing bender kit. I do not. And I'm not going to acknowledge it. I told him I already gave it away to somebody that deserves it, and not somebody that's trying to scam the system and spam and think they're clever and they're going to get something for nothing. So yeah, I ended up giving it to the first person to comment on the video, and we'll just leave it at that. Somebody that I'm sure will appreciate it, hopefully. And somebody that's not trying to work the system for their own benefit because they're greedy or selfish or whatever it may be. I won't be having any of it. So happy Sunday, regardless. But you know, I'm going out of my way like usual, and I'm not trying to be a whiny little girl like some of you guys say. I'm trying to keep things fair, and I don't. You know, you can't bullshit a bullshitter. I'm the biggest bullshitter on the planet. So if you want to try and bullshit me, it ain't going to happen. It'll never happen. So you might as well just go about your day, because I'm not going to put up with it. And, you know, I'm going to do what's right and fair. I always have. And I think I made the right decision in this case. So hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday, watching a little bit of football, kicking back, spending time with the family. And that's what this is all about. And you know, I'm gonna say it once more. You trolls, you guys that want to be negative, you want to be little assholes behind your computer screen or your phone screen or whatever device you're using. You might as well just give up on me. Go find somebody else to troll that will give in to your stupid demands and put up with your nonsense, because I won't do it. I've been around a while. And it's not going to happen. And those of you that are going to comment, hey, let the trolls, let the haters hate and stuff, I get that. But trust me, it's not taking any space in my head. I could care less what those guys do, but I am going to address it and just let them know to move on. And if they don't, they don't. But you know, I'm going to defend myself, and I'm going to explain myself, and I'm going to explain to them that it won't be tolerated from me, and you know, we'll just leave it at that. I believe I deleted a couple guys the other day, and right there I lost 2 subscribers. You know, if you want to get on and troll and scam and spam and be a fake, I don't care if you subscribe or not. I will ban you from the channel. I'll lose you as a subscriber because that's not the type of subscriber that I want. So we'll leave it at that. Everybody enjoy your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.